Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of Elgato Stream Deck Pedal. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, nice. It's packaged quite nicely. Oh, this one is heavy. Okay, we have a paddle here. In the base, they have rubbers. We have the manual. This is Elgato Stream Deck Pedal. I just unboxed my Stream Deck Plus. I wanted something hands-free, especially while recording videos and taking calls, so I picked this up. The packaging looks very clean and minimal, typical Elgato style, and this is pedal itself. The first impression, it's heavier than I expected, which is actually a good thing because it won't slide on the floor. We have the wire. Oh, we have these springs, middle paddle stoppers. We have more springs, we have more springs, and we have more springs. Let's keep the box side. You got these 3 pedals here and each one is fully customizable. The press feels solid, not too soft, not too hard. Inside the box, you got the pedal, USB cable. Yes, the USB cable is long enough, and a quick startup guide. Each pedal can be mapped to an action. For an example, like one pedal can mute your mic, one can start or stop a recording a video, and one can switch scenes or trigger shortcuts, because I use OBS software on my desk to switch scenes. So basically you can control things using your feet while your hand stays on the keyboard or mouse. So my mouse itself is a very productive device. I've been using this, I guess, Logitech MX3S. This is, I started using 3, then I got the 3S. I think recent release is 4. I think I'm good with 3S right now. It has a lot of buttons. So okay, come back to the pedal thing. The pedal setup is very straightforward. You just plug it in, open the Elgato software, and assign actions to each pedal you want to. First impression, of course, overall build quality feels solid, the design is clean, and it feels very practical. But I can only say after a few months, this is not something everyone needs. But if you create content, like I have started doing it, take a lot of calls, which I normally do, going on my client calls while running an agency, getting on meetings. My whole day gets on calls and I get very less time to spend with myself while working. Or you can use this, if you are doing a long hours on desk, this can actually make things smoother for you. Of course, I will share, how I use this in my daily workflow. Later, if you guys need that, you can comment on the video. Probably I can create in-depth video of how I'm using it. That's it for unboxing. Let's get this set up. And once the setup is done, I will certainly share my feedback on Elgato Stream Deck Pedal.